Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem, amma ba'd. Okay, so until now we learnt the short vowel sounds, that is the harakat, zabar, zer, pesh. Then we learnt the long vowel sounds, the vertical zabar, vertical zer, reversed pesh. And the letters of madda are also the long vowel sounds, because the letters of madda have the similar sound as the vertical zabar, vertical zer, vertical pesh. Okay. Today we are going to learn completely different concept. Okay, we are going to learn the soft letters, and in Urdu and Arabic it is called the leen, the letters of leen. Okay, the soft letters are called the letters of leen. Why are they called soft letters? And leen in Arabic and Urdu means soft. Okay, leen is the Arabic word, leen is the Arabic and Urdu word for soft. Okay, so the soft letters are called leen. They are called soft letters because they are to be pronounced very softly and quickly. Okay, quickly but softly. So what is it says, if zabar comes before the quiescent waw or ya, it is called the soft letter, that is the leen. Okay, that is ba, waw, zabar, baw, ba, ya, zabar, bay. Okay, as you can see that in the madda, okay, the long vowel sounds, also we had waw, quiescent waw and quiescent ya. But don't get confused between the leen and madda, because in madda, the harakat were changing. Before the quiescent waw, it was pesh. Before the quiescent ya, it was zer. And before the alif, it was zabar. But here in the leen, the soft letters, it is zabar in both waw and ya. Okay, before the quiescent waw there is zabar, before the quiescent ya also there is a zabar. So this is called the leen. How should we read? We just read by just joining. Okay, because the waw has a quiescent, so the waw should be dependent on the previous letter, the predecessor. Okay, so what will we do is ba, waw, zabar, baw, ba, ya, zabar, bay. We will just keep joining the quiescent letter with the previous letter. That's it. And the sound should be, the sound should be soft. It should not be pronounced like bow. No. Not with a jerk, not to be read hardly. It should be read very softly. Ba, waw, zabar, bow. Ba, ya, zabar, bay. This way, okay? Ta, waw, zabar, taw. Ta, ya, zabar, tay. Sa, waw, zabar, saw. Sa, ya, zabar, say. Jim, waw, zabar, jaw. Jim, ya, zabar, jay. Ha, waw, zabar, haw. Ha, ya, zabar, hay. Kha, waw, zabar, khaw. Kha, ya, zabar, khoy. Okay, now I'm reading without the hijab, but you have to do the hijab, okay? Daw, day. Zaw, zay. Raw, roy. Zaw, zay. Saw, say. Show, shay. So, soy, bow, boy, pow, poi, vow, voy, ow, I, go, boy, fow, fay, cow, koi, cow, kay, low, lay, mow, may, no, nay, wow, way, how, hay, ow, I, yo, yay. Okay, now let's do the practice exercise for the soft letters. Arfauna, ain zabar a, fa, waw, zabar, faw. You can see that fa, waw, zabar, faw is the soft letter. Okay, it is not the waw madda, because waw madda has the pesh before the waw. But here it is a zabar before the waw. So it is not a waw madda, it's a leen. Okay, it is a letter of leen. So ain zabar a, fa, waw, zabar, faw, arfaw. Noon alif zabar na, arfawna. Qaf pesh qu, roy, ya, zabar, roy. Quroy. Sheen, to, ze, shin. Quroy, shin. Ya, waw, zabar, yaw, mean, zabar, ma. Yawma, hamzah, zer, i. Yawma, i, zal, to, zer, rin. Yawma, idhin. Ha, ya, zabar, hay. Ha, alif, zabar, ha. hayha, ta zabar ta, hayhat. I'm repeating the first line. Afawna Quraishin yawma izin hayhat. Zawjan, zawjan, wailun, wailun, yarawnaha, yarawnaha, aynun, aynun, tawbatun, tawbatun, a'toina. First you have alif and you have to join the ain with the alif. So a'toina, a'toina, sawman, sawman, ra'aita, ra'aita, yanhauna, yanhauna, kaidan, kaidan, awha laha, awha laha, ruwaidan, ruwaidan, sawfa, sawfa, qawmi, qawmi, yan'auna, yan'auna, aina, aina, hawlahu, hawlahu, hadaina, hadaina, qawli, qawli, alayhim, alayhim, yawma, yawma, aynaini, aynaini, awtadan, awtadan, آتينا آتينا قول قول خيرا خيرا